In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush, a comprehensive tool for all your SEO needs, in just 5 minutes. We'll be diving into its core features that will help you optimize your website's performance and analyze competitors effectively. To start, open up your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you've navigated to the Semrush homepage, you'll find an option to log in or sign up. If you're new to Semrush, signing up will give you access to a limited free plan, or you can opt for a trial to explore the full range of features. If you're already a user, log into your account to begin. Once you're in, one of the first tools you'll want to explore is the Keyword Magic tool. This is incredibly useful for discovering relevant keywords for your industry. Simply enter a seed keyword, and Semrush will provide you with a wealth of related terms, along with important metrics such as search volume and keyword difficulty. This is a great way to expand your keyword list and explore new content ideas. Next, dive into the keyword overview. Here you can deeply analyze individual keywords to grasp their potential for driving traffic. You'll see data on search volumes, keyword difficulty, and even cost per click if you're considering paid campaigns. This section ensures you're not just targeting keywords blindly, but doing so with foresight and insight. Another powerful feature is the Keyword Gap tool. This allows you to directly compare the keywords your website is using with those of your competitors. By revealing what your competitors are targeting that you might not be, it shines a light on potential opportunities to gain an edge. Moving on to Domain Overview. This tool is perfect for understanding a competitor's website from a holistic perspective. It provides insights into traffic sources, backlinks, and top-performing keywords. You can assess their overall SEO performance and strategize accordingly. The Organic Research section takes this a step further by identifying the specific keywords a competitor is ranking for. This can help in spotting content gaps in your own strategy and identifying areas where you might pivot or expand. Site Audit is another essential tool, especially for technical SEO guidance. It will crawl your site and highlight issues like broken links and slow-loading pages, which can negatively impact rankings. Addressing these issues can significantly enhance your SEO health. For optimizing individual pages, turn to the On-Page SEO Checker. It offers recommendations for title tags, meta descriptions, and other elements to ensure your pages are not only engaging, but also SEO-friendly. If content creation is your focus, the SEO Writing Assistant will be your go-to tool. With tips on readability and tone, it ensures that your content resonates with both audiences and search engines. Additionally, Semrush's Content AI features offer innovative tools for generating and structuring ideas. Analyzing your backlinks is crucial, and the Backlink Analytics tool in Semrush helps you understand your backlink profile and discover new opportunities for building powerful backlinks. Coupled with the Backlink Gap tool, you can compare your backlink strategy with that of your competitors and identify potential areas for improvement. With position tracking, you can monitor how well your site ranks for specific keywords over time, allowing you to gauge the success of your SEO efforts. Custom reports cap off these features, offering you detailed insights into your SEO performance and helping you track keyword rankings and other key metrics in a way that suits your business needs. These are the steps and tools that will allow you to leverage Semrush for maximizing your SEO strategies effectively. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, Semrush has something to offer for everyone looking to optimize their digital presence.